Hi Barry,
Hello.
how's it going?
Yeah, I'm brilliant, thank you.
Um, why did you come along this weekend? Why did you attend?
Right, so I'd been to a radical undoing workshop 2 years ago. I enjoyed it a lot, but I just felt like I was just going through the motions in life, and I wasn't kind of happy, and I hadn't been doing the work as regularly as I wanted to. So what I basically did is just come along here, to use it in a sense as a kind of a boot camp to get right back into it. And also to meet other people who are into the same thing. You know, as anybody who's done this type of work before, they probably know that it can be a bit isolating. You're the only person really doing it. Well, it at least seems that way. So it's nice to meet people and connect deeply with people as well. You'll be surprised how deep the conversations can be at these types of events. And so that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to meet people. I wanted to kind of reboot to some extent.
And what did you expect when you came along?
Well, because I've already been to one 2 years ago, I knew kind of what to expect. But Garrett said that it was even more structured this time. There's far more activities, and so I was kind of excited about that because that's what I wanted That's what I wanted to be improved from the last time I went, even though it was good. But and that's what he basically accomplished, in my belief, during the course of this week.
What happened for you while you were here?
Right, so in terms of what happened to me, I kind of got more than what I expected. I knew I was going to get a reboot to some extent, but the amount of work that we were doing each day was more than I expected. It's actually been quite destabilising in a good way. I've had lots of epiphanies, lots of things to take away, from this workshop, and loads of things that I've already wrote down to implement as soon as I get back home. Because I think that's one of the things that you can worry about these types of events, is that are you actually going to take what you've learnt and use it? But I think that through the undoing process, I actually feel ready to do that, to not procrastinate. So that's what I feel that I've got out of this.
And what was your favourite part of this week?
The really long undoing sessions, it surprised me. You know, some of the sessions were 3 to 5 hours long, which was crazy, and it really shook you up. And so I would say that's what I enjoyed the most.
And why should someone else come to this workshop?
I think that if you're interested in this type of work, you enjoy it, you want to go deeper, you want to meet people, especially the meeting people, the social aspect of it. It can go really. It's really underrated, in my view, how you can just speak to people about what they're going through, what you're going through. There's no one-upmanship. There's no ego.
Yeah.
You're just very frank and honest, and no one else is trying to pull you down.
Yeah.
You're going through the work, so a lot of sometimes emotions come up, and you can talk to people about that. They can give you fresh perspectives. So that's what I would say in regards to that question. Yeah.
And would you come again?
Yes, I would come again. I'm quite confident that I'll be coming next year if there is one next year.
Great. Thanks, Barry.
No problem.